Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video we will be learning how to join a game in Among Us. To join a game in Among Us, open the Among Us application on your device and from the main screen, go ahead and tap on the play button on the left inside menu. Inside the play button, tap on online. Now click on enter code option and then you can enter a room code in the text box at the top. Write down the room code that you have been provided by your friend or the host, and right after you enter the code, the host capacity, region and type chat will be loaded on the screen. But make sure that you provide the correct code, and finally after typing it down, click on the join game button at the bottom. Right now I don't have any game I can join into, so it is not showing me the rest of the details, but this is exactly what you'll need to do in order to join a game. Once the host starts the game, you'll automatically join as a player, and that is it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.